Hi guys, my name is Craig Fonseca with Hydrogrow Design. Today we're introducing the Smart Hydroponic Tower Garden, a revolutionary solution for modern urban gardening enthusiasts seeking an efficient and space-saving and technologically integrated approach to growing fresh produce. This innovative system combines the principles of hydroponics with smart automation, allowing users to cultivate a variety of plants indoors with minimal effort and maximum yield. At its core, the Hydroponic Tower Garden utilizes a vertical design, optimizing space utilization while providing ample growing area. The tower structure consists of multiple stacked tiers, each equipped with individual growing pods. These pods are specifically designed to accommodate various types of plants, from leafy greens to herbs and even small vegetables. One of the key features of this system is its hydroponic setup, which eliminates the need for soil entirely. Instead, plants are grown in a nutrient-rich water solution, ensuring optimal nutrient uptake and faster growth rates. This not only conserves water, but it also eliminates the risk of soil-borne diseases and pests, resulting in healthier plants and higher yields. The smart aspect of the hydroponic tower garden comes into play with its integrated technology. A central control unit and an app allows users to monitor and adjust crucial environmental parameters such as water pH, nutrient levels, and lighting conditions remotely. Sensors embedded within the system continuously collect data, providing real-time feedback to ensure optimal growing conditions at all times. Furthermore, the Smart Hydroponic Tower Garden can be integrated with smart home systems, allowing for seamless automation and scheduling of tasks such as nutrient replenishment and lighting cycles. This not only streamlines the gardening process, but it also enables users to maintain their plants with minimal intervention, making it an ideal solution for busy individuals or those with limited gardening experience. By utilizing hydroponics, it significantly reduces water consumption compared to traditional soil-based gardening methods. Moreover, its vertical design maximizes space utilization, making it suitable for urban environments where space is limited. A recent study performed by the University of California has found that most vegetables lose between 30 and 50% of their nutritional value within the first 48 hours of harvest. Overall, the Smart Hydroponic Tower Garden represents a paradigm shift in urban gardening, offering a convenient, space-saving, and technologically driven solution for growing fresh, nutritious produce right at home. Very healthy root system. 2.5 feet of roots. You can see how healthy they are, how white the root system is. And take a look at the stems of the bok choy, how white and clean and healthy. Because this system grows indoors, we don't have the common pests like aphids, whiteflies, and things that ruin your harvest. There's no pesticides, so this is the healthiest way to grow for your family. The root system is hanging in the nutrient-rich water that is trickling down from the top of the tower. Prior to inventing this system, we would get our spring mix vegetables from the grocery store, just like you do, only to have them go bad and rot in the fridge just a week or two later. Because of our unique rotation or adequate lighting, the plants you see here are grown from seedling to harvest in 20 days. Can you imagine that? You can supply your family in nutrient-rich vegetables in just 20 days. Hydrogrow Design Smart Hydroponic Tower.